First, you just have to open up your Telegram, open it up. You don't actually need to update it. Just open up Telegram from this. If you're using iPhone, the process is very simple. Just open up your settings and then you scroll down until you see privacy and security, then you click it. And after this, you have to click on this automatically delete my account if wait for. You don't need actually to wait this long, you just have to click it and you can just click delete account now. There are many alternative options which you can choose, but if you want to delete your account now, you can just delete your account now, delete your account. And if you just want to deactivate it, you can click come back later. If you really want to delete your account, you can click continue, but for me I want to come back later, so continue. Yes, continue, delete your account. You just have to enter your phone number here. This is the phone number that I use. This is my phone number. Yeah, to my account. If you want to delete your account, then you can go right ahead and click that. But since I don't want to delete my account, I'm just gonna click cancel. And this is how you can delete your Telegram account in iPhone.